Today we're going to do simultaneous equations. There's two methods. Elimination that you can use to determine the variables of a simultaneous equation. And then you could also get substitution. Now this video will focus on substitution. Okay, you are welcome to use elimination, but this video will focus on substitution. Okay, so we are going to work with these two equations. Okay, so we write them down. X minus y equals to 3. That will count as our first equation, equation number 1. We label it as equation number 1. Then 2x plus y equals to 9. We'll name it as our equation number 2. Right? But remember, we want x or y as the subject of our formula when we get to our third equation. Okay, so that's our second equation. So now to get our third one, we want to make x or y the subject of our formula. So we're going to use the easiest one, which is the one on top. So I'm going to write down the equation again. X minus y equals to 3. So now I'm going to make x the subject of the formula. And then I move y to the right. So it's going to be 3 plus y. Because I transposed the y over. Or I took the inverse. Either way works. Okay. So that's called equation number 3. And so now let's get to substitution. So we're going to substitute equation number 3 into equation number 2. Right. Because we use the first equation to get the third one, we have to use the second one as our one that we're going to substitute into. Okay, equals to 9. So we're going to put 3 plus y. And now you see there we substituted. Wherever we found x, 3 plus y in that place. So we're going to multiply out. It's 6 plus 2y plus y equals to 9. We add the like terms. It's going to be 6 plus 3y equals to 9. Therefore, 3y equals to 9 minus 6. Remember, the sign has to change. And so we divide by 3 both sides. Y is equal to 1. So that's our first variable solved. So we name it equation number 4. Okay, it's called equation number 4. Let's change our pen color into like blue, so we can basically differentiate between the two. So we're going to substitute equation number 4 into equation number 1. Right, now here you have a choice. You can go for 1 or 2. I chose 1 because it's simple. So we're in the place of y, I'm going to substitute 1. So I always like to substitute with brackets. So equals to 3, and so we know y is 1. So it's going to be x minus 1 equals to 3. Transpose the minus 1 over, becomes plus 1. It's going to be 3 plus 1. X is therefore equal to 4. And there we go. I solved x and I solved y. And that's how we do it. Okay? You have to have two answers for simultaneous equations. Right. Try the next one and post your answer in the comments.